Hi, welcome to the channel. It's me, Najari, and back again. It's been a while. So I've been editing the vlog that you're about to see now, and I can't find half of the footage. So I'm just do it. So this is a vlog of me doing a staycation with one of my good friends for Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and it was fun, it was life. Okay, Hans, so enjoy, sit back, bye. This is the fit. This is the look. This is the vibe. Like I packed this suitcase like so full that I ain't got in my room at all. Like it's very heavy. Hi, welcome to our hotel. I'm here. So let's give a little tour. So we have the kitchen, area. We have the fridge. We have the kitchen area. Then we have the bathroom. Wait a minute. Shatari, look at this. Look at this, Shatari. What? Yeah. Look at that. That's so cool. It touch screen. The mirror is touch screen. Then we have the wardrobe. I don't know, I have struggle saying it. Then we have the balcony. Hi, wait, I gotta forget after.
You can come to my. Yeah.
On a video call with a friend, I couldn't make it.
You can come
And then
tomorrow.
we have a bed. Then we have yes. Per. So afterwards we ate. I cooked some food, we watched a movie, we went on Miko a little bit, then we did a little of tipsy yoga, and that's what happened. Good morning. It's Friday. Oh shoot, it's Saturday. And welcome to the video. My friend's sleeping, so I gotta be quiet. What time it is? Like 7 something. Yeah, I gotta be quiet. Good morning. Alright, so I'm going to clean up because I cooked yesterday the chicken Alfredo. I did not do a video of me making it because I was caught up in the moment. So I just gonna clean up all the wares and stuff so it look pretty in the morning. And there's bottles everywhere. So we're gonna clean. And make it look pretty and put up and stuff. Alright, bye. Well, not bye, but let me go and start cleaning up. again. So I'm just outside. I did my meditation. I'm just reflecting. Just if I had my journal, I would have write and stuff. It's like getting hot. But the view outside is just different. It's really nice. Hopefully I can go and get some breakfast and then come back. Maybe. So I'm gonna get ready, and because we're gonna go and get breakfast now. We forgot to pay, so we're gonna buy it and then go and eat. Afterwards we come back up, and then yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So see you in a bit. Good morning. Ryan Little. Hi, we are here outside. We're outside. How are you, Shitari? Yes. You crazy. So it is only for sightseeing. You got to miss it, week.
But in the picture it looks cleaner than this.
Because of the different season, this is not swim weather.
Alright, let me clean the seaweed then. I'm gonna swim.
So what? We're going to set some rocks, right? And make a little pond. And let's clear out all the seaweed, right? Yeah. Ryan Little. I can't be on the walk backwards, you too? Oh my god. You say I want that way. And I just like hi.